Namaskar, my friend, and all people of the our country. I am Premnath Dubey from Mumbai as a simple teacher and president of Manav Seva Sanstha, Maharashtra. On 26 April today, I request you from coronavirus is very dangerous situation produced in our country. Please staying at home and in the home. Our hand wash by soap or only water after 2 hours again and again. Please kept kept in home and social distancing keep always 2 gauge from each other. This is a very dangerous situation in whole world like America, Italy, Germany, Spain and other Britain countries. But in our I am very lucky. I live in India. There are only here is only uh, near about 25,000 diseases from corona, and best things in our country is 15% corona patient will be collapse and 85% corona patient always recover. So do not fear factor in your mind about coronavirus, and always ignore and avoid the fake news from coronavirus. Always keep in your mind the positive thinking, and always keep in your family, always keep positive thinking. In home, always keep distancing, social distancing, and if necessary work you come, you are outside in the home, from the home, then mask on the mouth and hand gloves in your hand, and our most duty in this period is keep social distancing from each other. What is quarantine? The quarantine period of the time when a person that has may have infection or diseases must be kept away from other people. What is isolation? Isolation will be such place there are no every but diseased person in our surrounding area, in our circumstance of the area. Please kept in the home and keep social distancing from each other, and total fake news and news channel always uh, showing that collapse of the diseases and increases of diseases from coronavirus, not showing that the how many people recover from the coronavirus. I tell you, then the 85% corona patient recover from the coronavirus. Only 15% corona patient collapse from the coronavirus. This is very positive things is uh, if any fake news pass away from the your WhatsApp, Facebook, and other social media. This you should be always ignore and always keep in your mind positive things, and in the home always keep always do work from the yoga and Kapalbharati, Ujjayi, Amardhoti, and some asanas from yoga. Then 3 or 4 times you take heat water, warm water, and nibu pani, and and always keep in your mind this coronavirus will be stopped on 16 May 2020. Then always keep in mind and keep your family. Thank you.